This video we're going to show how to install the cover over the crank handle, and then how to install the crank handle itself. So you're just going to line that up. You're going to make sure you have the right one, and they simply just clip down into place. That is now installed. And we're going to just set our handle on there temporarily. Close the window. To the locked position. Then we're going to set this handle so it fits in there. We were lucky this time because it's right aligned with it. If it were misaligned when the window was closed and up in this position, you simply pull back on the lever, set it on there like so. Make sure it's going to fold into the nesting cover. And there's a small set screw in the very end of it, right here, that we're going to tighten to make sure that the handle doesn't pull back off. You need a tiny straight screwdriver for that. Tighten that on, and it's installed.